welcome to Miss Annette's Little Farm in the big city. The mornings are starting later these days. The day starts later because the sun isn't coming up as early, and it's very cloudy. I know that some of you have been experiencing some horrible storms from the hurricane. And it's amazing that even here in central Indiana, we felt the effects of that hurricane as well. It's amazing to me that it could go this far. But we had a big windstorm come through. Let's check on everybody. You guys okay? Ooh, it's nice and dry in here, huh? Yeah. You okay now? You okay? And everything is a mess. We have visitors scheduled for this afternoon, some of my favorites, Hollis Adams. Anyway, so I need to clean up today. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna clean up after the storm. There's a lot to do, but let's start by getting the animals ready for the day. And Bear is still here. He's gonna be here. I think they're gonna come get him tomorrow. I think they get home tomorrow. So I don't know, they'll pick him up on Wednesday or Thursday. Anyway, he's a sweetheart. What you doing, Bear? Gotta let everybody up, okay? Finding a lot of this time of year, molting season. Looks like there's been a mess. It's just the chickens doing their thing. It's amazing how wet and dirty the barn can get in just a short amount of time. There are feathers all over, there's poo and pee all over. They've been stuck in the barn for days on end, so it gets really bad. So we're gonna clean it all out and put fresh in. So now the barn is pretty clean. I'm gonna put some clean flake down over here on the goat area. Now, a few months ago, excuse me, a few months ago, instead of flake in the chicken area, I started using pellets, and I love it. She always takes it opportunity when Mama's busy. Mama forgot to lock the gate. Always remember to close the gate. We were lucky during the storm that we didn't get a whole lot of twigs down, or I was kind of worried about some of our trees in the front. We got a lot of twigs, but small twigs. We didn't have any big branches or anything, which made us fortunate because a lot of our neighbors had big trees down in their yard, and my sister-in-law actually even had a tree come down on her house. She lives in Cincinnati. So anyway, we've got the barn clean, the paddock clean. Now let's clean up the yard and put things back where they belong, starting with this hose. I had to put everything over here. Well, there we go. Everything cleaned up and back to normal. Looks nice, and the sun even decided to come out, so it's going to be a really nice visit this afternoon, having our visitors come, and it's almost as if the storm never even happened. Everything's so tidy and cleaned up. So thank you so much for stopping by and visiting me here at Missinette's Little Farm in the big city. It was really nice to have your company today. Thank you. Now try to get outside today if you can. Take care of yourself and take care of each other. And we'll see you next time.